There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2020 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Red Eye, wide body and Torrid clear coat. With bifunction HID projector headlamps, sport hood, 20-inch forged wheels, Brembo 6-piston front brakes, power heated mirrors, rear one-piece spoiler, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio paddle shifters, 2,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, SRT performance pages, rear backup camera, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, 6.2-liter supercharged V8 Hemi engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D5807.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.